Guess what? My sweetie took me someplace else with a lot of cars. And we're gonna show you one right now.
Check out my many other videos of cars collecting, hot rods, and classics. My picture saying, and thank you for Saneauto. We're glad to be taking you with us to the Birmingham World of Wheels. We're going to focus in on one of these fine vehicles so you can get a better look. We love doing a wide variety of vehicles, car shows, and cruise-ins, so make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. That way you don't miss anything. Welcome to Mustang Alley at the 2018 World of Wheels in Birmingham, Alabama. Here you'll find Saleens, Shelbys, Roush, GT500s, SVTs, and Cobras.
Party cars, party cars.
Look at this astonishing 1957 Chevy Bel Air, fully customized and restored by Big Wit of the Detroit Tigers. See our full-length video of this and many more amazing vehicles on Saneauto. this incredible 2010 Ferrari California in our previous video. We gained exclusive access to many of the vehicles at the 2018 World of Wheels in Birmingham, Alabama. Check our channel frequently for many more cool cars. It's time for shoutouts for some fine people with some great YouTube channels. Comment on our videos a lot, watch our videos a lot. Camaro time. Joe Z. Mill Hill Mud Mowers. Be sure to join us Sunday afternoons for car news, car talk, shout outs, and even channel reviews. Our videos.
Gracias por ver nuestros videos.
If you've watched many of our videos, you'll notice we do a wide variety of vehicles.
Si usted lo vio algunos de nosotros videos, tú sabes que nosotros haga un montón de diferentes tipos de carros.
If you want us to film your vehicle, please let us know in the comments below.
Si usted le gusta nosotros filmar tu auto, por favor, deja tu comentario ahí abajo después de toca de campaña y inscribirse. Gracias.
Ciao.
Bye bye. Here's Victor to tell you about the wonderful vehicle in this video. Aquí está Victor para decirte todo sobre este maravilloso auto en el video.
Today's featured vehicle is a
Shelby.
Today's featured vehicle.
Supercharged Shelby.
Today's.
And here's Victor to tell us about the wonderful vehicle in this